Hi, I'm Dr. Nicole with Slay Family Chiropractic, and today I'm going to talk about how chiropractic helps to relieve lower back pain. So a lot of times lower back pain comes from what we call subluxations, which is a joint of the spine that is out of alignment or it's not functioning how it should, and that creates compression on the nerves and back pain. So if we look at the model here, if this joint is out of alignment, you can see how it directly impacts this nerve exiting. So that's going to create inflammation and pain that stays in the lower back or pain that can travel down into the leg. So with chiropractic, we use adjustments that help restore the motion back into that joint, reducing pressure on the nerve and then resolving pain. There are two major styles of adjustments that we use to treat lower back pain. The first uses our drop table. The table pops up underneath the lower half of the body, and as pressure is applied, the table drops, allowing gravity to help assist with the adjustment. The second is a more gentle approach, and it uses what is called an activator. This tool sends an impulse into the joint and restores the motion. Both techniques have the same outcome in resolving your lower back pain. Hopefully this gives you a better idea as to how chiropractic care helps relieve lower back pain. If you have any questions, drop them below. Otherwise, you can call the office.